Well, good morning. And this is Pat Baker with Remax. And what kind of a day are you having? You want to hear about my day? Well, I got up this morning to go visit somebody who's going to sell their house, and they were going to feed me breakfast. I got into my car and I turned the ignition. It didn't work. I got my glasses on. I put my glasses on, and you can't see the bags under my eyes. Oh, this is getting terrible. I have such great eyes now, I can see, but I don't want you to see my face. Anyway, so that's the story of my life. So there sits my car right behind me, sitting in the garage like a good little car. Only it didn't start. There I am, standing out here in the driveway, waiting for the tow truck. He's hopefully going to start it and not have to tow it. But my day is going to get better, because how worse can it get? I hate having cars not start.